Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to turn on enhancement protection on your Google account. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you found this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to settings on your phone. So I'm going to click on here to open up my settings. The next thing you need to do is to scroll down, continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to Google right here. Click on Google. Next thing you need to do is to click on proceed to your Google account. The next thing you need to do is to click on Google account. The next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here, and make sure you click on security and sign in. So click on security and sign in. Then scroll down right here, scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to enhance safe browsing for your account. Click on it. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to turn on this particular toggle button. And this is going to pump up. Enhance safe browsing for your account. Simply click on turn on right here. It's as simple as that. With that, your browsing experience with Google has been fully protected and safe. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.